So guys, if you are like me and you don't have this IDM download menu on YouTube videos just like me, alright, so I have some solutions for you how you can get this. Okay, so let's start with the first solution. Go to extension here, manage extension, and check if your IDM is turned off. So if it is turned off, just simply turn this on. This will be the first solution for you, and let's wait. So after that, if this works, it's great, and if it doesn't work, if this first solution didn't work, you need to go to IDM. You just open IDM, Internet Download Manager, go to help, and from here you will find check for updates. I'm pretty sure if you do these two steps, your problem will be solved. And make sure to restart your computer, and after these three steps, your IDM problem on YouTube will be solved. Hopefully these three solutions might fix the problem. It will fix 99% of you guys facing this problem. Your problem will be fixed. But if it didn't fix for like 1%, you can use this free download manager. It's called free download manager. You just have to simply paste the link here and you are good to go. If you ask me where can I get this manager, you can get this from Google Chrome. Search for free download manager. This is the website. Tap here and you need to download it from this website. It's pretty simple. And yeah, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.